Rotate the bottom cover into place and press along the edges to snap it into place. Tighten 6 captive screws. Rotate the battery into place using the tabs for alignment. Install 4 screws. Connect the battery to the system board. Place the hard disk drive bracket onto the hard disk drive. Connect the hard disk drive connector to the hard disk drive. Place the drive into the chassis. Install a single screw. Place the wireless LAN card into the connector using the notches for alignment. Install a single screw. Connect the auxiliary and main antenna cables. Place the memory module into the connector using the notch for alignment. Press the memory module down until it latches into place. Press the CoinCellBattery into place on the system board. Connect the battery to the system board. Lay the keyboard upside down on the keyboard bezel. Connect the keyboard cable to the system board. Turn the keyboard over and push the edge under the bezel. Press down and pull the keyboard back until it is secure. Turn the system over and install 2 screws. Place the keyboard bezel assembly onto the chassis. Snap it into place, working around the edges. Install 4 screws. Connect the speaker cable to the system board. Connect the MediaCardReader cable. Connect the trackpad cable. Connect the Think Light cable. Turn the system over and install 4 screws. Install 2 screws. Install 4 screws in the battery compartment. Install 2 screws at the front of the system. Install 2 rubber feet. Place the speaker assembly onto the keyboard bezel assembly. Install 2 screws. Place the cable into the guides replacing any adhesive tape. Connect the cable to the MediaCardReader board. Place the MediaCardReader board onto the keyboard bezel assembly. Install 2 screws. Carefully lower the system board into place on the chassis. Press the DCInConnector into place. Place the hard disk drive cable into the guides. Place the brackets onto the DCInConnector and the left side connectors. Install 3 screws. Tighten the screw on the ThermalFan assembly. Turn the system over and connect the LCD touch cable. Connect the CameraMicrophone cable. Connect the DCInConnector to the system board. Place the ThermalFan onto the system board using the screw post for alignment. Tighten 4 screws in order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Connect the ThermalFan cable to the system board. Place the LCD unit onto the chassis using the screw post for alignment. Install 3 screws into the right hinge. Install 2 screws into the left hinge. Feed the CameraMicrophone cable and the auxiliary antenna cable through the chassis. Feed the LCD touch cable and the main antenna cables through the chassis. Turn the system over. Route the auxiliary and main antenna cables through the guides. Place the LCD bezel assembly upside down onto the cover. Connect the touch connector and LCD connector to the LCD panel. Carefully rotate the LCD bezel assembly onto the cover. Press around the edges to snap the LCD bezel assembly securely. Install 2 screws. Install 2 screw caps. Place the LCD panel upside down onto the cover. Connect the LCD cable. Rotate the LCD panel onto the cover using the screw post for alignment. Install 4 screws. Press the main antenna onto the cover using the guides for alignment. Apply the copper tape. Install the antenna cables into the guides. Repeat for the auxiliary antenna. Place the LCD cable onto the cover. Place the plastic cable guide into the left hinge. Place the hinge onto the cover using the guidepost for alignment. Install 2 screws. Repeat for the right hinge. Connect the camera microphone cable to the board. Press the camera microphone board onto the cover. Connect the proximity sensor cable to the board. Press the proximity sensor board onto the cover. Connect the hard disk drive connector to the system board.